How to automate Google Ads campaigns in minutes. If you're looking to save time and improve the efficiency of your Google Ads campaigns, automation can be a game changer. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to automate your Google Ads campaigns in just a few minutes. By setting up automation, you can focus on strategic decision making while letting the algorithms handle the repetitive tasks. Begin by logging into your Google Ads account. Once you're in, navigate to the Campaigns tab on the left-hand side. Here, you'll see a range of options for automation. The most popular options include automated rules, scripts, and Google's very own smart bidding. First, let's talk about automated rules. Automated rules allow you to apply specific actions based on the performance data. For example, you can create a rule that automatically increases your bids if the conversion rate is higher than a specific percentage. To set this up, click on the Tools and AMP Settings icon at the top of the page. Then, select Rules under the Setup column. Follow the on-screen instructions to create a new rule that suits your strategy. Next, explore Google Ads scripts, which provide more advanced automation. Scripts use JavaScript to automate complex actions across your campaigns. You can find ready-made scripts online or write your own if you're familiar with coding. To set up a script, go to the Tools and AMP Settings menu, choose Scripts from the Bulk Actions column, and then you can manage and create scripts there. Lastly, consider using Smart Bidding. Google Smart Bidding is a set of automated bid strategies that optimize your bids to maximize conversions or conversion value. These strategies use machine learning to adjust bids in real time for every auction. To apply Smart Bidding, click on Settings for your campaign, choose Bidding Strategy, and select the option that aligns with your goals.